superstar of the game. You did it all today. Let's do it all. The rebound, you scored, you got an assist. How does it feel to get this W?
You know, it feels great. Sophomore year, we lost here in the super sections to Bennett. So, you know, just repeating history and we breaking barriers. So it just feels great to go down there and win it all.
All right, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
All right, super section champion, how does it feel?
Oh, it feels great. It was amazing, actually.
That's great.
We just made history.
Is this a tribute to the hard work y'all put in off season?
Yeah,
like summer?
Yeah, we put a lot of work in. We learned this. We were ready for this.
Okay. What's your goal moving forward?
Continue winning. Stay consistent.
I appreciate your time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations to the Broncos. You guys have made history. In the 55 years of that new building, no team has ever gone downstate. So how does that make you feel?
I can't describe it. It's just the best feeling ever. We've been trying to get here for a long time. First team, like you said, basketball program ever make it downstate. Super proud of my coach, super proud of the players. Like, they did what they needed to do to get there.
When you guys lost the Public League championship game, was that something that you knew you were going to meet Whitney Young again? So when you played them, I could see the total difference in you. It's like, okay, we're not letting this one slip away, because they had beaten you 4 times in a row. What was in you guys' mind when you approached that game, Coach?
They beat us in city championship 4 times in a row. They've never beaten us 4 times in a row. I want to make that correction first, because we always beat them in state.
Okay.
So, but it was an opportunity for us to regroup. And I'm a firm believer that adversity reveals character. And these are high character individuals.
Now you guys played a superb game, you kept running, but Coach, you took the press off, they caught back up, you put the press back on and it was over. They could not handle that pressure. So what made you take it away?
Well, my leader said that she wanted to make sure we had some gas left in the tank at the end. And I'm smart enough to listen to my leader.
Okay. Well, congratulations. When did you know you had it?
When the game was over. The game was at 32 minutes, so I knew I had it when that horn at the end of the 4th quarter.
Okay. So, going downstate for the first time ever, what is that going to do for your classmates and in the school? How is that going to make everybody feel? Because it's a rarity. You guys might go downstate twice, but the boys and the girls.
Yeah. I mean, I feel like it's going to make everybody proud. That's all I'm for, is just make everybody proud and make my team proud and my coach and my principal proud. So, yeah.
And you?
Oh, you know, it just feels great to go down there and make history and represent our school. And we're going to go down there and win it all.
Well, congratulations. I want to high five all of you for the community and for Kenwood, and you all deserve it. The hard work paid off, and you are sectional champions.
Thank you.
All right, congratulations.
I didn't know that.
Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you next video.